Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to give you a quick tip on how to check your ball joints on your truck. So first, jack the vehicle up, get the front tires off the ground. Then what you want to do is we're going to come over and we're going to put a hand here and a hand here. And we're going to rock it like this. So we know something's moving, and it's pretty bad. It moves quite a bit, as you can see. And the customer complained of a clunking in the front end while driving. It could also be a wheel bearing sometimes. A lot of the times though, when you're driving and you have a wheel bearing going out, it kind of makes a growling noise. So we do that, and then so we'll come in, we look right through here, and we're gonna be looking right here at the steering knuckle. This is our upper ball joint. We're gonna look for movement. So we're going to see that this part of our steering knuckle is moving in and out, slopping around, and this upper ball joint is really worn out. So we're going to have to disassemble and replace the upper and lower ball joints on both sides. This one's really bad, and oversized tires and offset rims are going to cause them to wear a lot quicker. The truck has about 120,000 miles on it. And so it's just super easy if you have a clunking going on. Having the vehicle down on the tires and just shaking stuff isn't always going to find the problem. Sometimes, with steering components, you got to step on the brakes, have someone step on the brakes with the vehicle running and turn the wheel back and forth and apply pressure to the steering components, and you'll see things popping and moving that aren't supposed to be. You don't find anything there, you got a clunking in your front end, and you jack the vehicle up and you grab the tires and you rock them and see if there's movement in them. You can spin them and hear if there's a growling in the wheel bearing. And sometimes you're gonna have to have someone show someone how to do that so you can look in there or film it and see whether it's the ball joint moving. If the ball joint's not moving and you still got slop in there, then you're gonna have a wheel bearing that is wearing out and allowing extra play in there. So we know our ball joints are bad, and we're gonna replace them for this customer, and we're gonna do a U-joint too on it. So super easy, a way to figure out what's going on with your vehicle. So hope that helps you out. Thank you.